As a result of the high demand for vehicles with lower consumption values, approximately 70% of new vehicles in Europe now feature start-stop systems. For this purpose, Bosch provides a broad range of reliable components, particularly strong batteries with a high specification and load profile. There are several stop-and-go situations in inner-city traffic. The vehicle often has to stop in traffic congestion or at traffic lights. However, the engine keeps running, consumes fuel and thereby produces unnecessary emissions. In situations like these, the start-stop system saves fuel. As soon as the driver presses the brake, stops the vehicle and disengages the gear, the system is activated. It checks whether the engine is idling, neutral has been engaged and the vehicle has come to a standstill. If the electronic battery sensor is signaling enough power for the next engine start, the engine automatically switches off. Now the battery alone supplies all electrical components. The charge level is reduced. Once the traffic light turns green and the driver presses the clutch, the starter receives the signal to start the engine, and the engine starts quickly and reliably. Hereby, the battery provides the required energy. The driver can move off immediately after having engaged a gear. Electronic energy management controls the energy supply. It monitors energy consumption and the battery's state of charge. If the battery is sufficiently charged, the alternator is switched off to reduce fuel consumption. Now, merely the battery is responsible for supplying electrical components until its state of charge drops below a certain level. The alternator is then reactivated in order to supply the electrical system which charges the battery. A further method of energy saving is the brake energy recuperation. During braking, the alternator converts braking energy into electrical energy to charge the battery. In inner-city traffic, this saves up to 15% of fuel and CO2 emissions are cut respectively. Start-stop technology requires a more powerful battery with a higher cycle stability and a greater discharge level. The S4E, featuring EFB technology, supplies vehicles equipped with a start-stop system and many electrical components reliably with energy. The EFB battery is characterized by particularly good levels of charge acceptance, and it is highly resilient to short-distance operation. It also boasts a longer service life and double the cycle stability compared with conventional starter batteries. For passenger cars with start-stop and brake energy recuperation, the S5A, featuring AGM technology, delivers top performance. In addition to outstanding levels of charge acceptance and starting energy, it guarantees a reliable supply to many components as part of start-stop operation. Its cycle stability is up to 4 times that of conventional starter batteries. Battery expert Bosch, with its experience and skill in the battery industry since 1922, provides solutions in service and diagnostics and is a driving force in the development of innovative vehicle technology and complete systems. With its start-stop systems, Bosch contributes to efficient solutions, which are saving both resources and the environment.